Formal nang binuksan sa Talisay City, Cebu ang kauna-unahang pampublikong paddle court na libreng magagamit ng ating mga kababayan. Layo nito na mas maengganyo ang ating mga kababayan na sumubok sa panibagong sport activity. Si Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu sa sentro ng balita.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ito na ang hudyat ng pagbubukas sa publiko ng kauna-unahang paddle court sa Talisay City. Pinangunahan ni Talisay City Mayor Gerard Anthony Gullias at Senador Pia Cayetano ang ribbon cutting ceremony ng paddle facility na may dalawang court na kompleto sa kagamitan gaya ng racket at paddle balls.
So what is our job as public officials, national public official, local public officials, si Mayor Samsam? We create the facilities, we create the venue, we create the environment for sports to become a part of our life. So this facility has to be built. Let's remember that in the SONA of the President, he mentioned the importance of sports.
May multipurpose court din para sa ibang sports activities gaya ng basketball at volleyball. Tiniyak naman ng lokal na pamahalaan na pananatilihing libre ang paggamit ng publiko sa pasilidad para mas maengganyo silang subukan ang paglalaro ng paddle.
The most important thing right now is that I told the City Council to not yet pass an ordinance regarding rates so that it will be free for everyone. The best things that local government units can do is to create an atmosphere and environment for people to try new things. Of course, we have sports facilities here for the sports that we are used to playing. But I think the role of government is to introduce new things so that our constituents can adapt if they want to adapt to new sports and they want to transfer to new sports.
Dumalo rin sa ceremonial opening ang paddle national team kung saan tinuruan din nila ang 10 local coaches para sila na ang magturo sa kababayang interesadong sumubok.
I would say in the first 30 minutes of training, then you can play. Paddle is for everyone, no? Sa kagaya nga nung sabi ni Sen and ni Mayor kanina, kahit matatanda, kahit mga bata, kahit retirees, kahit baguhan, kahit walang alam sa kahit na anong sport, this is a very, very beginner-friendly sport.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.